I just wanted to give a quick video as a recap of week 2 of virtual learning and to preview what we were going to be doing in week 3 of virtual learning. So to review for virtual learning for week 2, we started learning about ancient geography and ancient religion of the civilization of ancient Greece. So we know that the Greeks, they lived in mountains and on islands and on peninsulas, and those mountains had some negative effects, made it very difficult to trade, travel, and communicate, but it was good for defending their cities. And because there were so many mountains and they're so difficult to travel over, and because they're surrounded by the seas, since they are mostly islands, the Greeks became really good at building ships and being sailors. And so they traveled more of the world than the Mesopotamians did because they used their boats or their ships because they became good sailors and good at navigation and building boats. We also know a little bit about their religion, that they were polytheistic, or they practiced polytheism. And polytheism is the belief in more than one God. And being polytheistic means that they believe in more than one gods and goddesses. And they believed that they controlled all of their lives and had control over everything, just like the Mesopotamians did. So moving into next week, we're going to learn a little bit more about ancient Greece, and we're going to look at, let's see, we're going through GRAPES. We're going through the grapes. So we did GR. So we have A, which will be for achievements, P for politics or government, and E for economy. So we're going to do the next 3 letters this coming week. There will be some posts that you need to watch, or some videos that I will post in the announcements. So right now they're saved. I'll release them right after this video. So there's going to be a video to watch about Greek democracy to help you with the politics notes. There'll be some videos that you can choose to watch to help you with the achievements. And there will be a video to watch about the Peloponnesian War that will help explain the economy of ancient Greece a little bit more as well. There are five assignments that you need to do for next week. So that's one every single night. So if you do one on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, then you'll have about 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes of social studies every day to work on. Please, if you want to wait till Friday, that you can, but it stresses me out because I'm wondering if you're lost and what's going on. So if you do a little each night, then I can check it and I can give you feedback on what you're doing. If you don't like your grade, especially if it's a D or an F, so if it's a 70 or lower, you can always redo it. So I'd rather you turn something in and give it a try, and then I can give you feedback on it, and then you can try it again. Okay, so your assignments that you're going to have for this week. The first one is looking at notes about the Greek achievements. So just like this current week, you're going to have a PowerPoint that you can watch, or a Google slide presentation, and then you're going to fill out the notes document. So this is your own copy. All you have to do is type in the column where it says answers. Then you're going to do the same thing with the politics notes. So again, here's the PowerPoint that you're going to want to watch, and then you're going to fill out this document. Then you're going to take those 2 things and you're going to put them together. You're going to watch a video about ancient Greece, and you're going to read an article about ancient Greece, and you're going to take a look at a PowerPoint. And then by looking at all of those things, so the videos that will be in the stream, this article, and this is 2 ways of looking at the same thing. So you're going to read an article and you're going to look at some Google Slides. You're either going to look at them in slides or you're going to look at it as a PDF. You're going to use this information and the videos to answer these questions. So it's a little bit of putting all your thinking together. Then we're going to move into a little bit of a research project looking at ancient Greek achievements. What I like about this assignment is you get choices. You just need to pick one thing that the Greeks created or invented. So like you could research democracy, or you could research a water wheel, or an alarm clock, or different things that the ancient Greeks created, and then tell me all about the things that you find. You can do this however you want. So this is a view-only document, right? So if you want to type on that document, you'll have to make a copy of it, which you now know how to do from this week. Or you can take a look at this document with all sorts of different ways that you can present your information. So you could make a video and send it to me in Google Classroom, and you could do like a Loom video like I'm doing right now. You could make a comic strip, you could draw a poster and then take a picture of it and upload it in Classroom. So however you want to show what you research about a Greek achievement, But I gave you the PowerPoint slides again. You can use your notes that you did on Monday, put it all together, and then share something with me. Okay. Then your last assignment for the week is another one that should take a little less time, should be a little easier. And it's reading through this Google slide presentation about economy, watching the video about the Peloponnesian War, and then filling out the notes in this document here. Okay, so this one should be a little less work, just like the politics notes are a little less work and the achievement notes are a little less work. The ones that say a quiz or a project, you should take a little bit more effort on them or put a little bit more time into it, because this is where you're really showing me what you're learning by looking at the information and filling out your notes. All work is due by 11:59 on Friday. This coming Friday, which I think is the 27th, but I could be wrong on that date. I'm going to double check because I don't know what next week Friday is. Today's the 24th. I was wrong. So all this work is going to be due on the 24th. So your achievement notes, your politic notes, your thinking about ancient Greek democracy and economy, your ancient Greek achievement research project, and your economy notes. That's 5, one for each day. They're all due on the 24th. I would not wait until the 24th to start. If you want to start this weekend, you totally can. If you want to turn everything in before Friday the 24th, you totally can. If you want to do a little bit each day, that's also okay. Continue to ask questions and reach out when you're stuck, and we'll talk a little bit more next week. So I hope you have a great weekend. Don't forget, next week is Spirit Week. So I'm excited to see some pictures of things that you have made while we've all been in quarantine. All right, take care. Have a great weekend, and I will see you all soon. I miss you all so much. Bye-bye.